I missed out $500,000 because I didn't sell my Ethereum at its peak in 2021. That's like passing up the chance to scoop up 10 top-of-the-line electric motorcycles. Now I'm left with my 6,000 square foot Bitcoin mine, tucked away in the Iowa wilderness, conjuring up over $20,000 daily out of nowhere. Picture this: 2,000 miners, 500 fans, 50 transformers, and even a stuffed animal all working their magic. The facility set me back $1,900,000 during construction, not to mention the hefty $15,000 monthly electric bill. Tack on some miscellaneous expenses, and I'm left wondering, what's your take on my monthly profit?